Welcome to 428 Crescent Avenue here in Sunnyvale, 94087. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 1,574 square feet. It is listed for $2,188,000 and it is listed by Magically. Let's check it out. Nice vaulted ceilings as soon as you come in. Little coat closet here, immediately to the left. Hardwood floorings throughout. Great living room area. Lots of windows, lots of natural sunlight. Beautifully staged. Here to the right is your half bathroom. Smart mirror, floating vanity, toilet. Let's continue our tour into the kitchen. Nice white on white cabinets and countertops. Gas stove. Great window here for herbs or any succulents of that type. Nice deep sink. Chrome fixtures. Stainless steel appliances. This is where the refrigerator would go. It's currently staged with that plant. Check out the flooring. Very nice color. And this is your second living room area / dining area. It is currently staged as a living room. You do have your pantry here. And some more storage underneath what would be the stairwell. This door here leads into your spacious 2-car garage. Washer and dryer hookups are here inside the garage. You also have your hot water heater here and your HVAC unit. This is a 2-story, so let us continue our tour. Another look at the first floor. Fireplace, vaulted ceilings, lots of light, lots of natural light, lots of windows. This does look like brand new carpet. They have put some protective plastic. Let's make a left here into your first bedroom. Again, nice tall ceilings. Hardwood flooring throughout. This is more on the cherry color. Good sized closet. Let's check out bedroom number 2. Again, nice tall ceilings with the vaulted ceilings. You have your closet here. Window overlooking the side of the backyard. And this is your first full bathroom. Smart mirror. You got your tub here. Check that out. Let's take a peek outside the window. And into the large primary bedroom. Check it out. Check out the height of those ceilings there. Nice walk-in closet. With some pre-built shelving here. Great size. Large window overlooking the front of the property. Some more storage. And into the primary bathroom. Let's check it out. Nice tall ceilings. You have your bathtub with the jets. Again, nice long smart mirror here. Dual vanity. Soft closing cabinets. Private toilet area here. Let's do a one more tour in the opposite direction so you guys can see. Again, if you guys are looking to buy here in the Sunnyvale area, this is 94087. Or if you know any family members or friends that are looking here in Sunnyvale, reach out to me, contact me, leave me a message. Happy to show you some other options. Happy to get you guys in here for a private tour. It's a great city, top ranked schools, great parks, very friendly. Some more information here. Built in 2005, soaring vaulted ceilings, hardwood flooring, bright open concept, private backyard, 2-car garage. Let's check out the backyard real quick. You have your electrical panel here, water shut off, main disconnect, gate leading to the front of the property. Backyard that wraps around. Let me show you the front of the property and what it looks like from the outside. That's it for this home tour, guys. Like I said, call me, leave me a message. Happy to get us in here so you guys can tour this property privately, or any other options that you guys run across on Zillow, Redfin. until the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour.